hit the record. Alright, it's November the 12th, Thursday, November the 12th, pre-market here. Futures are off a little bit, but not much. Certainly digested the economic data in stride, I would say. Let's see, upgrades and downgrades. Let's get right into that. Oh, by the way, Walmart posted earnings. Actually, let me punch in Walmart here. I guess they did okay. I kind of just read a quick little story. Yeah, and actually, look at the Walmart daily chart. These are daily charts here. Breaking out of an inverted cup and handle pattern. Probably 55, your initial target, then 60. Okay, on Walmart. Let's see. I see there's an upgrade on NASDAQ, which is NDAQ, which may affect, it's an upgrade by Susquehanna from neutral to positive. It may affect things like ICE. I don't really see it. Pre-market ICE went up almost to yesterday's high. And CME. Yeah, CME. Actually, CME looking kind of interesting here. Might be one to watch. I know it's a tough one to trade, but could be interesting. Downgrade on Brocade, and a downgrade on Burlington Northern. Let's see. I got some medical device makers here. Coverage initiated. Boston Scientific, neutral. Zoll Medical, ZOLL, Abbott, that's an outperform. Abbott Labs, ABT, outperform. St. Jude Medical, neutral. Medtronic, neutral. This is all by Wedbush Morgan. I have no idea who they are. I normally don't play this kind of stuff. Coach, coverage initiated by KeyBank, ratings change, hold. Applied Materials, coverage initiated, price target changed by Credit Suisse. Target changed from 1250 to 1550. Alright, so I think that pretty much covers that. So let's just see who's moving here. Alright, right off the bat here I have Dow Chemical up 4.83% in the pre-market. This is a breakout, okay? You can see the breakout here on Dow Chemical, and think DuPont, and think Eastman Chemical. Shippers in play again. Number 2 on my list, up 2.5%. Dry ships. Number 2 on my list, dry ships, up 2.5%. Number 3, GNK. Remember these guys yesterday, big volume, up 1.39%. Let's just get a line right here, extend this over right at that line. Any push above that line on GNK? Let's see, let's take this to the right. Okay, you got to watch out for this little high right here. And the date on that is September the 17th, 2440. Need to clear 2440 as the bottom line here. United Technologies up just under 1%. Continuing their ascent up. I think 68 was my target on that. The dollar is up. Well, the UUP is up 0.62%. Let's see. The semiconductors up a little bit. Priceline up just a little bit. Boeing up a little bit. Let's look at the other side. The other side here. Coal. James River Coal Company. Down 7%. Going to open at the 50 simple. 50 simple. And Hewlett Packard, that acquisition of comms, not digesting too well here. Down 1%. Schlumberger. Down 1%. I kind of like that Dow Chemical. I think is an interesting trade so far. I think I might play that. We'll see. USO. The USO is off, which is oil. 1%. And here comes the usual suspects. MGM Mirage off 1%. Las Vegas Sands off just under 1%. I don't see Win in here. Win's hiding somewhere. And that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at First Solar, off 1%. First Solar getting very close to another double bottom. Not the big double bottom, but the little, in the last 5 days or so. Let's see. I think that's. See anything else here? I don't see anything screaming up or down the list. I don't know what's going on with James River Coal. I don't see any other problems in other coal names like that. So maybe unique to them. I'm going back and looking at the spiders here, the SPYs. Let me get this back in here for you. Opening up in the mid zone underneath the pivot, yet above S1. Pivot would be 110.19, S1 would be 109.56. And I think the futures probably try to push up to possibly, let's see, 1096, 1097. And I'll watch that. All right, I think that's all I got here for today. So I'll see you guys at the open.